Today we'll be diving into the concept of Scrum and explaining what it really is. Let's get started. Before we delve deeper into the details, let's first understand what Scrum actually is. Scrum is an agile framework for project management and product development that aims to increase the efficiency and quality of products or processes. It was originally developed for software development, but is now used across various industries and for different types of projects. Scrum is based on three main principles or pillars. Transparency. This means that all information about progress and work is made transparent so that the team and stakeholders can understand what is happening. Inspection. In Scrum, regular inspections are carried out to ensure that the team is on the right track and that any problems are identified in time. Adaptation. Based on the inspection results, the team can make adjustments to improve product quality and work efficiency. Scrum also defines different roles that exist within a Scrum team. Here are the key roles. Product owner. This is the person who defines the product requirements and sets priorities. They represent the customer's needs. Scrum Master is responsible for ensuring adherence to Scrum practices and rules. They help the team solve problems and promote continuous improvement. Development team. The development team consists of professionals who actually create the product or work on the project. They are self-organizing and collectively responsible for delivering the product or project. Now that we've understood the basics and key elements of Scrum, let's take a look at the Scrum process. Sprint planning. At the beginning of a sprint, the team meets to select the tasks that need to be completed during that sprint. The duration of a sprint can be set individually, but it usually lasts 2 to 3 weeks. Daily Scrum. During the sprint, the team meets daily to review progress and discuss any obstacles. Sprint review. At the end of a sprint, the team presents the completed increment and receives feedback from stakeholders. Sprint retrospective. At the end of the sprint, the team reflects on its performance and identifies areas for improvement. All right, that covers the Scrum process. Let's now take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of this agile framework. Starting with the advantages, flexibility. Scrum allows teams to quickly adapt to changing requirements and priorities. During a sprint, new requirements can be added or existing ones changed, which is especially beneficial in dynamic projects. Customer orientation. Scrum emphasizes continuous involvement of the customer or stakeholder. The product owner represents the customer's interests and prioritizes tasks accordingly. This leads to products that better meet the actual needs of users. Transparency. Scrum promotes a transparent way of working. Regular meetings like the daily Scrum sprint review and improve team communication. This helps in identifying problems early and strengthens team collaboration. However, Scrum also has its disadvantages, which we'll look at next. Complexity. Scrum can seem complex for inexperienced teams or organizations. Proper understanding and implementation of Scrum principles require training and practice. Lack of predictability. Since Scrum is based on short development cycles, long-term project planning can be challenging. This can make it difficult to provide accurate delivery dates or cost estimates for a project. Excessive meetings. While Scrum meetings are important for communication and transparency, in some cases they can lead to an excess of meetings. Poorly planned or inefficient meetings can hamper productivity. We hope this video has helped you understand the topic of Scrum. See you next time and have a good one.